Hello everyone, welcome back to Nam's channel. In today's video, I'm going to share and guide you on how to automatically activate Instagram accounts. You can manage a large number of Instagram accounts with no limit on the number of accounts using the MGT Insta software. This is the main interface of the MGT Insta software. Here, you can use features like automatic posting, automatic commenting, automatic messaging, automatic following, and so on. There are a lot of features that can help you advertise on the Instagram platform, such as sending automated messages. So today, I'm going to show you how to run and grow your account. So why do we need to grow accounts? If you're working on a large scale here, you'll definitely need to buy resources, and those resources could be new ones, newly created accounts. So you have to grow these accounts to increase their trustworthiness with the platform. So whenever you use any feature like sending messages or commenting, your accounts will be less likely to get locked. That's why you absolutely have to grow your accounts. Okay, after you go to the interaction script section, add a new script for me. Here, I'm going to create a script for growing accounts. Let's call it Grow Account Script. Here, you'll have some options to choose from, like reading notifications, scrolling through posts, viewing stories, or liking posts. These are all actions just like real users would do, just like when you're using Instagram yourself. So after you set up and configure your account growing scripts like this, make sure to save them. That's right, save them for me. Then finally, you'll need to set up the number of concurrent threads to run. Here, I'm going to run 9 threads. Okay, now, let's watch together to see how the software will help automate account growing. Thank you, and if you're interested in this software, please contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. I'll leave the details below in the description. Thank you, and see you in the next video.